Hello class, today we are going to talk about rusting. So look at the picture. What do you see? Raise your hand. Anderson. Oh, the roof. Emmy. Yes, the gate. Very good, it's here. Tony. The baseball? Do you mean basketball? Yes, here is the backboard of the basketball. Look at the picture carefully. What do you see? Do you see the color change? Yes. So where are they? Show me your finger. Show me your finger. And point at it. Do you see the lines and spots on it? Why? Someone say air. Very good. The air. Andrew. The wind. Very good. And because they are all outdoors, so yes, what is this? The rain, the acid rain, which makes the material rust. What makes the material rust? A. The air. B. Acidic solution. C. Water. Or all of them. Okay, keep your answer in mind and we'll figure it out later. Take out your handout. This is the rusting investigation. Rusting investigation. So here is the material and here is the control group and experimental group. I'll explain this later. So we have our material list. The first one is the steel wood. You can see the steel wood over here. The second one is the zipper bag. Why do we use the zipper bag? We use zipper bag to keep the air the same. One more time. We use zipper bag to keep the air the same. Chopsticks. When do we use chopstick? Yes, Anderson. We use chopstick to eat. Very good. Why do we use chopsticks in this experiment? We use chopsticks to take out the steel wood. Number 4, water. Water. Okay, let's guess. Is it a gas, a liquid, or a solid? A gas, a liquid, or a solid? Anderson. A liquid. Very good. Number 5 is the vinegar. Everyone say vinegar. Is it an acid or a base? An acid. So why do we use the vinegar in this experiment? We use vinegar to compare with the water. One more time. We use vinegar to compare with the water. Number 6 is the beaker. We have beaker A and beaker B. Okay, over here. We use a beaker to contain the water. Why do we use the beaker? We use beaker to contain the water. Number 7 is today's topic, rusting. Rusting. Here is the control group and the experimental group. The control group is Anderson. 水. Yes, 水 in English is the water. So the control group is the water and the experimental group is the vinegar. Okay, so here are the control variable. Control variable is something we keep the same. In the control variable, they have the same, what is this? The same beakers. They have the same zipper bags. They have the same steel wool. And they have the same chopsticks. So what is independent variable? Independent variable is something different. The water and the vinegar are different. In this experiment, we use vinegar to compare with the water. Here is the picture. We use vinegar to compare with the water. Here comes to our key question. What makes the material rust faster? A. The acidic solution, or B. Water. Raise your hand if you think it's A. The acidic solution. B. water. We will figure it out. So step 1, we have our beaker A and beaker B. So fill water in beaker A. So let's see, 1/10 of the beaker. Fill water in beaker A. Fill vinegar in beaker B. In step 2, we have the still wood. We need to put the still wood at the same time. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. For 3 minutes. Step 3, chopsticks. We use chopsticks to take out the still wood. Remember to take out at the same time. So step 4, everyone read. Put still wood in the zipper bag. Put still wood, zipper bag A. So zipper bag A is the control group, is the water. And zipper bag B is the vinegar, experimental group. Here comes to our step 5. Step 5, observe the change of the still wood. So is there any different? In step 1, why do we use 2 beakers? Why do we use 2 beakers? We use a beaker to contain the water. We use beaker B to contain the vinegar. Everyone read, we use beakers to contain the water and the vinegar. Step 2, why do we put in and take out at the same time? Why do we put in and take out at the same time? Andre, can you read this? We do it to keep the time the same. We do it to keep the time the same. In step 4, why do we use 2 zipper bags? We use zipper bags to keep the air the same. Everyone say, keep the air the same. Now we have 3 groups. Group A, Group B, and Group C. Come here and get the material. I have a few questions for you. So, what stays the same? What stays the same? The control variables. Group 1. What stays the same? Oh, you say the still wood stays the same. Yes, the weight and the size of the still wood. And group 2, what stays the same? The temperature. Very good. The temperature in this room stays the same. Group 3, what stays the same? The zipper bags. The air in the zipper bag stays the same. And we have the same amount of time. So here are the control variable. So what do we change in this experiment? What do we change? The independent variable. So the group 1, do you have any idea? What do we change over here? What do we change? You said the water. Water, group B. Vinegar, very good. We use the different liquids, the vinegar and the water. Okay, so observe the change. Do you see the experimental group turned red? You see the experimental group turned red, and control group, the color stays the same. Here comes to our key question. What makes the material rust faster? A, the water, B, the vinegar. A, raise your hand. Okay, B, raise your hand. Now I'll show you the answer. Vinegar makes the material rust faster. The vinegar makes the material rust faster. So, what makes the material rust? We learned that this is a acidic solution, and this is the water. Here's the question. Water, acidic solution, or the air? Okay, or all of them. the acidic solution and the water makes the material rust. We know the air? No. So we'll do the experiment the next class. Here is the quiz. Please fill A to F in the box. We learned control variable and independent variable before, just a few minutes before. So I'll give you the hint. Control variable is something the same in this experiment. Independent variable is something that is different. Remember to bring our textbook the next class and do not play with the material. I see Anderson and Amy play with the material. Okay, and remember to finish the quiz before you leave the class. So all class dismiss. So today's class dismissed.